everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jo from Boho Jo's Decor. Just want to say a quick hello to all my new subscribers out there and thank you so much for joining me on Macrame for Beginners Part 3. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little wall hanging. It's a really simple design and great for beginners because you only need to know 3 knots. You use the lark's head knot, square knot and the double half hitch knots. If you're not familiar with those knots, I do have another video on my channel that will explain how to do those, but I will go through it on the video as well. So you only need 2 supplies for this wall hanging. You'll need some cotton cord. I've used 100% recycled single twist 3mm cord. If you can use other cords if you want, whatever cord you'd like to make it with, but if you do use something thicker than 3mm, it's probably best to get a wider rod. This one's 20 centimeters. Also this little rod here is a really small narrow rod. You can get these in beginners kits, and I think it's perfect for this this size wall hanging anyway. I got this one from Kmart. It came in a kit with several other sized rods and some beads and some macrame rings. So yeah, you can either buy them individually or you can buy them in the kit form. Okay, so let's get started. So for this project you will need a 20 centimeter rod, 12 150 centimeter macrame cords and 8 200 centimeter macrame cords. So the first thing we're going to do is add our 8 200 centimeter cords to the middle of the rod using the lark's head knot. To do that, you fold the cord in half, loop it over the rod and pull the cord through the loop. Now attach 6 150 centimeter cords to either side. Now we're going to tie a row of 10 square knots, starting with the first cord on the left. To tie a square knot, we're going to take 4 cords and using the first cord on the left, fold it across the 2 middle cords, take the right cord over the first cord, around the back and through the loop. Then pull tight. Then you repeat this process on the opposite side to form a square.
Now using the first cord on the left as your filler cord, we're going to tie 19 double half hitch knots down to the right. To tie a double half hitch knot, you take your filler cord and hold it in the direction you want your pattern to go. Then you take your first working cord from behind your filler cord, take it over the front of the filler cord to the back and bring it through the loop. Then pull it tight. Then repeat with the same cord to complete your double half hitch knot. If you like, you can cut the bottom into a V shape, or you can cut it at various different lengths to create a more rustic look. Thank you so much for joining me on Macrame for Beginners Part 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my DIY videos.